Brigade started in 2013. We started with receivers for the AR-15 platform. Brigade today manufactures over 400 different SKUs. We are a machine shop that produces the primary receivers, which is the upper, the lower, the handguard, the barrel, in-house. We don't buy from secondary manufacturers to build our guns. Brigade is known for their 9mm barrels, which are very tight in tolerance, very accurate barrels, from the 6.5 inch to the 16 inch barrels that we produce in-house. They are extremely accurate. Brigade ramped up its production to 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, and purchased another 7 DN machines. And the DN machines really performed in that time frame. When Brigade picks a machine, it picks a machine for its reliability, its repeatability, and the quality of the part it produces. The NHP 4000 gave us a leg up in production because it was reliable and that machine never stopped. We like the fact that DN machines have the same controls, so the operator can work on several machines and different machines with the same control. The operators like to use the machine because the machine never broke down. The machine is a heavy-duty machine that produces. Whenever we purchase a DN machine, it's a complete package, from giving us the proper machine for that part and the post-process of having them set up, installed, leveled, and get it running 100%. My name is Gus, owner of Brigade Manufacturing, and we are a DN house.